Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I finally got my Moto G7 in from Google. Shipped faster than I thought it was. It was going to ship, but it actually came on the day that they said it would come, which is the 12th of March. And we're going to crack this box open and we're going to get it hooked up. I'll put my Project Fi SIM card in here. Now these phones are unlocked, even though I got this for Project Fi for $249, which is just a fantastic deal. These are unlocked and can be used on any carrier. I just was patient enough to wait for the $249 price tag. I'm happy I did. So before I crack the seal, 6.2-inch 1080p display, 12 megapixel cameras on the rear, with a 5 megapixel for depth sensor, and then you have 4 gigs of RAM and 3,000 mAh battery inside, 64 gigs onboard storage, a 512 SD card is what you can get up in here. 8 megapixel on the front. This does shoot in 4K and it does shoot 1080p at 60 frames per second and also 30. It does have gyro EIS on there as well on the rear camera. Front camera only does 1080p at 30 frames per second. And you got Bluetooth 4.2, and that's pretty much what you need to know. So let's get this thing sliced open here, and let's get it open. Been really excited about this phone, man. Oh yeah, that is what I'm talking about. So it's giving you some information already right here, volume, and then looks like power right here and lock, SD card and SIM tray. It's giving you the instructions down there. So I went with the white, obviously. And I want to go ahead and tell you, this phone is way heavier than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it definitely is heavier than I was anticipating. Not to say that it's bad, I didn't think it would be this weighty, but check out how beautiful this thing looks. Oh man, this is beautiful. You've got a microphone way down here, I guess for cancellation, and you've got the 2 cameras here, LED, and then your fingerprint reader is actually inside of that Motorola logo. It should be. But I think that's gonna be, oh man, this is called clear white, and it comes in ceramic black, and these are the US models. It's got this shiny sides. I guess it looks great with that. I would have liked a darker side on there, but let me get my Project Fi SIM card out of my Pixel 3, and then we'll get to the rest of the contents of the box. Really excited about this one, and this device is just beautiful. So there's my Project Fi SIM card. Because I use Project Fi regularly, like every day I'm making calls and using Project Fi. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the SIM card in here prior to even powering on the phone, because this is where it's going to live. Alright, let's see here. You've got a nice watertight seal around there. And it came with a Project Fi SIM card, but I won't need that one because I've got my own. And you can also see the SD card slot, and you can see how they actually chopped off the dual SIM for it. Alright, so we'll power this on. Hopefully it has a little bit of juice. It does. Now let's see what else we get in the box. Any cases or anything? Whoa, that vibration motor is something. Scared the crap out of me. You got a SIM ejection tool here. Very long SIM ejection tool. Let's put this extra Fi SIM card in here. I was hoping for a case or something, but hey, it's what it is. And then you've got the Type-C. SIM card has locked. Please power cycle. I don't know what this is talking about. But you got the Type-C, and then you've got the charging brick. So let's put this aside. I don't know why it's talking about some SIM locks, because I don't have a password on my SIM card. So let's go through this setup here. It's activating. Let's put in the password to the Wi-Fi. The haptic feedback on this thing is incredible, man. I gotta tell you, it is definitely a strong vibration motor in here. So you heard it when it sitting on the table, on the desk here, and it vibrated. It's like, whoa, that's crazy. So I'm gonna get all these copied from another phone, my Pixel, obviously. And just before I get that going, here it is next to the Pixel. You can see the size difference. But I'm gonna get all this copied, and let's keep this video rolling. All right, guys, here's the fingerprint sensor where you want to set it up here. It's inside the Motorola logo. And man, every time I look at the back of this phone, it's just awesome. So you just start putting your finger on there. I like that it has the colorful Google colors in there. And the plus about having a rear mounted fingerprint reader is I can add multiple fingers. Sorry if you hear the lawn care people. They seem to always come around when you're recording videos. And that is it. And they always come with leaf blowers, don't they? When you're trying to do something, they come with leaf blowers. Alright, let's see. He's just right outside my window. I don't know why they do that to me. Alright. Getting this fingerprint all set up. Done. Oh wait, I selected add another. Man, what am I doing? Okay. Going crazy, John. Going crazy. I added the same finger twice. At least that finger will be set up good. Alright, so continue. And let's see here. Change font. No, let's get out of here. And we're all done. Oh, I forgot to unlock at a glance. We'll get that set up too. It pulled the wallpaper from my Pixel since I did a backup. So let's get back in here and go to wallpapers and get the wallpapers from the Motorola device itself. Let's go wallpapers right here. Well, I guess it's using these wallpapers. On device, so it's going to be this one right here. Let's turn this down. Oh wait, I'm doing it the wrong way. Come on, John, think about it. This is Android Pie, buddy. Let's set that. You can see how beautiful and vivid this is. And boom, there it is. So no bloatware. It is doing a restore. And it's getting all my apps and everything on there. You see them appearing. You got Dolby Audio. What? Booyah. Look at this. Got a little crash there for a minute. Smart audio. Yep. Let's do it like that. Very nice. Very nice. All right, so let's get back into settings real quick. And we're going to set up that smart unlock with the face pretty much. Let's see here. Face unlock. Here we go. I'll get this set up. Let's see if I can do it from behind the camera. Let's enter my fingerprint reader right there. Okay, here we go. Let's see. And it grabbed my face pretty fast. Bypass lock screen by pressing, yep. Alright. Alright, so let's see if it works. Yep, it's pretty fast. What do you think about that, folks? And it gives you a little vibration sensation. Like the phone vibrates. And I gotta tell you, man, Motorola did a heck of a job on the vibration motor in this thing, man. So Motorola has Type-C on here, a headphone jack, a bottom firing speaker down there, and you got the rear mounted fingerprint reader. The power button is ridged. You got the volume rocker, and nothing on this side, man. So this is the look. This is what I've been waiting for. This is totally worth $249 for sure, for sure. So nothing on here, man. No bloat, no nothing. You got the Google to the right over there. If we long press right here, we can get our home screen settings. As you can see here, show feed to the left. Yep. And you can do your 5x5 or 4x5. Always do 5x5, folks. And then you got app icons. Okay, yeah, no doubt. This is gonna be nice. So this is it, man. With the Moto G7, there's no bloatware. Really, there's nothing, man. I mean, the FM radio is a plus. It's a huge plus. So let's go to the Moto and let's show you here what we got here. Let's see what they're talking about in here. Moto Actions. Here we go. So lift to unlock, media controls, use the volume keys to change the tracks. I don't really like that one. Screenshot editor. Yeah, you got that. 3-finger screenshot. Nope, don't like that. 1-button nav. Man, I've tried that. I just can't get into it. I just can't get into it. Fast flashlight, obviously you got that. Quick capture is the twist. Shrink, swipe to shrink, yeah. Pick up the silence. Flip to do not disturb, to flip over the phone, do not disturb. Yeah, now we don't want to do that because I got those set. So it's got the Moto gestures, everything, man. I mean, this is pretty sweet that they're offering all of this for $249, man, on Fi. Now, some people, originally, shout out to Mobile Geezer, he was the first person, he's probably one of the few people that I've actually watched that has the Moto G7. I watched Spectacular Gadgets, she has it too. But he has the international joint, the red one, and I was going to get that too, because that one records 4K on the front, and it's got the higher cameras on the rear. But I felt like that extra $100 that I was going to spend, because it was $350, and I think he paid $369 for his on Amazon, and I found it on eBay for $349. But I didn't pull the trigger, and I waited on this, and I'm happy that I did, because it's the same phone, folks. It's the same phone, and it's boss, I might add. This thing feels great. No problems with the way it feels, man. Let's check that fingerprint reader. Yeah, fingerprint reader seems like it's alright. Yeah. Guess I gotta turn it off, right? Yeah. But the facial recognition is hot. I can get from behind the camera. My bad, you see. Yeah, the facial recognition is hot. Facial recognition is really fast. Let's go into settings real quick. Let's go to, I want to go down here to, let me see, storage. Here we go. So you've got, let's go to, always keep storage manager turned on. You've got 50 plus available. It's already started to install my apps. So there you go. I'm pretty sure battery is going to be just stupendous on here. Let's go to connections, man. Advanced, got a VPN. I always keep the Google VPN on because I like Google Fi. It's just beast mode. Let's swipe down. Let's check this notification joint out. This is what the notification looks like. The notification shade. Let's go in here. Let's see if there's anything else to add. Yeah, there's definitely a lot to add. Let's see here. Let's put this up here. You got storage files. I like to just put all this stuff up here for, well, things that I'm going to actually use. Yeah. System update. Yeah. And I don't think I'll use any of these other ones. I'll put location up here. But check out the system update. You just press that and it tells you if you're up to date. It's on the January security patch, but I'm sure that's going to change. But this is what the notification shade looks like. Pretty impressive, man. I mean, I like what Motorola's doing here. Motorola keeps it stock, you know what I'm saying? So 10 of 93 applications. You know, this phone right here is definitely beautiful. More and more I've gotten to the point where I don't even want to put skins on phones because they just look so good. This is a beautiful phone, man. Like my Sony joint, I just don't plan on doing anything with this, man. It's at the moment, no. So this will be taking the spot of my Pixel 3 from my Project Fi line. Look at how big it is next to it. Where's my OnePlus 6T? OnePlus 6T is on my bed, I think. But yeah, man, this is just a beautiful, beautiful setup. I knew I was gonna like this. A little bit of Motorola branding down here. You got a microphone here. You got a microphone here. Let's go into the camera settings real quick and see what they're talking about. No, I don't know, I have to have your location. These are the manual settings. It's letting you know how to hook up your manual settings, so you know how to swipe over to get to the stuff that you got going on to change settings. And that is how you do it. So you got slow motion, time lapse, YouTube live. Man, I should go live on this bad boy. I can't wait to do that. I haven't been live in a long time, folks. You got Cinematograph. Nice. Portrait. Okay. Let's go into settings here. So photo, video. Let's go ahead and put it to 4K. Let's go ahead and do 1080p at 60. 4K is always good, but I'm going to do that. The front video is 1080p at 30. Yeah, I'm feeling it so far, man. All in focus, nice. Got the leveler. You got a leveler. You got aggressive grid. I like the grids. All right. So the camera, you know what I'm saying? It might be the hotness. It might be the hotness. It's crazy how much Motorola could get in here, you know what I'm saying, just from unlimited storage from Google. We'll do that later. But yeah, I do have it. So the first photo taken looks like it's kind of hot. Yeah. All right, folks, it's your man Jay. Moto G7 in the house, full setup, a little bit of a walkthrough. Hope you guys enjoy, man. Which color did you get? Are you getting the Moto G7? I've been waiting on this one, folks. It's your man Jay, and this is the Moto G7 unboxing first impressions. I am out of here.